Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Converting your credit to cash through your bank is easier than ever in 2026, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Step 1. First, you need to open your Globe app and navigate to the credit section. Look for the option that says Convert or Transfer to Cash. Make sure you have a valid bank account linked to your cash account before you start. Step 2. Once you've found the conversion option, enter the amount of credit you want to convert. The system will show you any applicable fees or charges that might apply to your transaction. Double-check the amount and review the fee structure carefully so there are no surprises. Step 3. Next, you'll need to select your bank account from the drop-down menu. The app will display all the bank accounts currently linked to your cash profile. If you don't see your bank, you may need to add it first through your cash settings. Step 4. After selecting your bank, the app will ask you to confirm your transaction. Review all the details one more time, including the amount and destination account. Click Confirm to proceed with the conversion process. Step 5. Finally, wait for the transaction to complete. Most conversions process within a few minutes, but some banks may take up to 1 business day. You'll receive a confirmation notification once your credit has been successfully converted and deposited into your bank account.